So here is the next example that we will be solving. So we need to perform the matrix addition. For performing the matrix addition, we need to have both the matrices should be of same size. So given that if it is an m by n matrix, then the second matrix should also be an m by n matrix, and the resultant matrix will also be an m by n matrix. Now let us suppose we have two matrices here, A and B. So how to calculate the added result? So it is pretty simple and straightforward. The corresponding 0 0 of the resultant matrix will be A00 plus B00, and similarly the corresponding 0 1 will be A01 plus B01. So this can be simply written as the resultant matrix Cij is equal to the Aij plus Bij, which is equal to the addition of the two corresponding cells. Pause this video and see if you can solve this problem and check out for the solution now. I'm going to copy this example. Let's say new file, matrix add.c. Now in the previous example we have already seen how to read an m by n matrix. So let us now add some few other things to this one. Let's suppose that we have three matrices here of same dimensions. Now in this case we are reading the first matrix, enter the values for first matrix, and we are reading an m by n matrix. Now similarly I will also read the second matrix, enter the values for second matrix, and here instead of A I will say B. Now after these two for loops we read both the matrices. Now we need to find the added result. So how to calculate the added result? Very simple. Repeat both the loops, and then C of I of j is equal to Aij plus Bij. That's all. So we calculated the resultant matrix Cij by adding the corresponding cells of Aij and Bij. Now let us see added result is, and we will print the values of Cij. Now for each row we are giving a break line just for printing the formatted output. So nothing beyond that. That's all. We are done with the example. Now in this case we read the first matrix, and here we read the second matrix, and then we calculated the addition result of the matrices and we placed the result in C, and finally we printed the result. Now I'll just add /n here to take it to the next line. Now let's see the outcome of this example. Enter the dimensions, let's say 2 by 2. Values of the first matrix, let's say 10, 20, 30, 40. And for the second matrix, I'll just give 1, 1, 1, 1. Now you can see that this is the added matrix, which is the result of A plus B.